Everybody, I'm Shane. You're riding Treasure Train. Okay, so we're back out here, Holcomb Valley, just up Van Dusen Road. 3 and 16s right here. We're gonna go down over here in this field and try and get a little bucket of some dirt from Caribou Creek down in here. We're just out here messing around for the day. Got this big old hole right here that Ollie's in. And this hole has a bunch of nice gravel all around it too.
Gravel?
Real good looking stuff. Probably old tailings, but it's all nice and quartzy. Really nice. Alright, so this is Holcomb Valley out here. This is Caribou Creek right here. It's pretty much right where they first found gold here in Holcomb Valley. Or in this area. This is the creek they used to work. I think that picture of the steam shovel they had somewhere right around in here, I want to say. I'll try and put it in this video too. But yeah, I'm going to be getting that's a little bucket from right here. It's nice tailings. I'm sure it's tailings. Good looking tailings. Yeah, they probably worked this whole little trench right here. Something like that. Or this trench. Or probably all of it. All this they worked, really. Yeah, there's the old cabin over there.
Later, and that was very close here. It was a standard gauge rail.
Alright, there's actually some pretty good color in there. There's over 10 little specks in there. That's probably hard to see in this. Not too bad. Yeah, I just ran not even a third of a bucket. You can see how much dirt I ran. The little guy. From way over there though, so I probably won't be going back over there. But yeah, pretty good spot. Gonna get another bucket from somewhere around here and test it out again. Just out here visiting Dave's camp. As I'm just messing around today, I'm just running stuff here 2 times at least. Pumping away. Okay, so I did another test bucket. It was actually my third one. The other one only had like 1 speck. This one actually has quite a few specks in it again. About 10. It wasn't as good as that first one, but yeah, we were just up here a lot closer, so I just was digging. I saw someone burned out, had nice burnout marks, and there was some nice gravel in it, so I tried like a third of a bucket from over there. It's not. There's some gold in there, actually. The gal's been working hard on the bridge all day here.
This is my wood.
They made this bridge.
You piece it. Yeah, I've been working on this bridge. It's really good. Long time. I'm the bottom.
Good job, gals.
Stand on it. Yeah, and trust it. Just spiral.